मुंबईमध्ये इंटरनॅशनल मास्टर्स लीग क्रिकेट स्पर्धेचं आयोजन करण्यात आले असून या लीगचे 5 सामने नवी मुंबईतील DY पाटील मैदानावर होणार आहेत। इंटरनॅशनल मास्टर्स लीग क्रिकेट स्पर्धेच्या ट्रॉफीची पहिली झलक आज DY पाटील मैदानावर आयोजित कार्यक्रमात दाखवण्यात आली। भारताचा माजी कर्णधार आणि मास्टर ब्लास्टर सचिन तेंडुलकर, वेस्ट इंडिज संघाचा ब्रायन लारा, दक्षिण आफ्रिकेचा जॉन्टी रोड्स, ऑस्ट्रेलियाचा शेन वॉटसन, श्रीलंका संघाचा कुमार संगकारा आणि इंग्लंडचा इयॉन मॉर्गन यांच्या उपस्थितीमध्ये ट्रॉफीची पहिली झलक दाखवण्यात आली। 6 संघांमध्ये ही स्पर्धा खेळवली जाणार असून क्रिकेटमधून निवृत्त झालेल्या आपल्या आवडत्या खेळाडूला पुन्हा एकदा मैदान गाजवताना पाहण्याची संधी या लीगच्या माध्यमातून क्रिकेट प्रेमींना मिळणार आहे।
Ability to play spin was something that wasn't my absolute strength. Especially the way they use their feet, and also Jonty's agility in the field, something else which wasn't my strength either.
But he's bringing it back in 2025. Jonty, what about you?
Interesting. I mean, it really is tough to think of. For me, Brian Lara's golf swing. It's just
which one, the right-handed one or the left-handed one?
It's just as easy as that backward point thing I was trying to avoid, that cut with the high back lift. So yeah, I think his golf swing. His cricket, nothing I want to borrow from his cricket. He's way ahead of me. All these guys are. It's his golf swing that really excites me.
Love it. And finally, Sachin Paji?
For me, again, I go with everyone. You see, who do you leave out?
Yeah, true.
It's incredible what everyone has been able to achieve in their careers. Some achieved a little more. The one sitting next to you scored big runs and then was very, very consistent. And the one next to me also was very, very special. These two guys.
आवाज स्टुडिओसाठी पुरुषोत्तम कनोजिया सह पंकज बेनवंशी रिपोर्ट नवी मुंबई।